I am Kedra on Two Wheels, and Happy New Year to all! So, the 1st of January of 2019. Let's do a quick recap of this year. This has been, or was, an undoubtedly, and this is the technical term, shitty year. As you guys know, and some of you might not know because you might have skipped over that video, it has been a horrible year personally, and that did affect the channel, so it was also a poor year on the channel. Growth has been stagnant, the videos have just not been quite up to par, fewer reviews, with the exception of the two highlights of the year, which were the big trips, Portugal, Les Alés and the trip to Picos de Europa. The rest was pretty damn poor. The issues, in case you don't know, I had a death in a close family taken by cancer, and now in December, just before Christmas, my 84-year-old father fell head down the stairs and broke his back. Yay! So that's why not even now it got better. Let's hope for a better 2019, a more focused 2019. Let's put everything behind us and start afresh on a new year. Damn, I hope this really gets better, because, well, it can't get any worse. As a particular person has once said, it can't rain all the time. And so I came to one last ride this year. You are seeing this in 2019, I am still in 2018. It is the 31st of December 2018. So I'm going to do a little blast on a bike I rarely ride. In fact, I'm considering selling it because I don't actually ride it all that much or all that little. It's got like 12,000 kilometers? No, 6,500 kilometers in 3 years, which is quite literally nothing. This year, what am I going to do this year? This year I'm going to try with more reviews. There were some changes professionally which might help me do some reviews. It'll be at lunchtime, but I might be able to work something out at lunchtime for a more regular review schedule. I hope that works out fine. I've expanded into Teespring, as you saw, but I'm going to have to review a few things because you guys aren't buying, and I understand why. The prices on Teespring are, well, steep, and I'm going to have to redo all the products because Teespring doesn't allow you to change anything once it's published. I'm going to redo all the products, review all the prices, and get them much lower, or at least as low as I can, because that pricing is just ridiculous, at least for some things, like 45 bucks for a sweatshirt? Okay, granted, you Northern Europeans and some Americans might be able to afford it, but I certainly can't pay 45 bucks for a sweatshirt. Is everyone nuts? So yeah, prices are gonna have to go down on that, on Teespring. I'm seriously considering doing a Patreon. Thing is, I'm not really sure what to reward the patrons with. Can't promise more videos if I don't have time to do the videos I have to do for the normal schedule, so I'm not really sure how to do that. Maybe raw videos, maybe behind the scenes videos, but I don't know. Patreon would be a cool way to fund this hobby. Might be a good way to get money to buy a GoPro 7. That's what Teespring is also for a GoPro 7 eventually. I already took the small proceeds from Teespring, and I have already invested on this new Purple Panda microphone, which is miles better than the one I had. It sounds much better too. So yeah, that's the plans. I'm going to change the schedule slightly. I think I'm going to start releasing videos on Sunday, so I have time for editing on Saturday and Friday. So if I release them on Sunday or Monday, it'll be better quality. I have the weekends to fine-tune it. And yeah, that's about the changes I am considering. Oh, they repaved this. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to do this bend a few more times. They know we come here. They know this is bike territory. So they've upgraded our roads. Awesome sauce. I love it. Thing is, this bike needs new tires. They are 3 years old. They look much older. They still have a lot of tread on them, but they are completely dried out. I don't feel any lack of grip. Then again, this is a 125. It's hard to overdo the grip, but I know there's less grip. So that's another little thing I have to do. But changes to the channel is just that I need to focus more, put out better quality content. Whoa, nice spin. So he went that way. Need to do some more quality content, better editing. I've been learning. I learned quite a lot about editing this year. I figured out after a lot of hard work doing subtitles, I've just discovered that Premiere has a really nifty specific subtitle tool that works wonderfully. It's much easier than the way I was doing it, which was by creating titles and then placing them individually, which was nuts. This is miles better. I'm going to try some other stuff. I'm going to try to branch out into reviewing gear, because I have reset my gear. I have the new Speedy jackets and pants. That's a review that still needs to be done. These new gloves from Revit, which is also a review that still needs to be done. I'm going to get some summer gloves also from Revit, so that's a review that needs to be done. I'm going to have to change my boots because my old day-to-day boots are, well, very old, so I'll need to eventually change them, so that's a review that needs to be done. Don't ask me how I'm going to afford this equipment, but I'll figure something out somehow. I heard the mail escort business is thriving, so maybe I'll go that way. So I'll try to branch out into equipment reviews, maybe some other gear reviews. I'll try to do some how-tos. I'll need to research before I do how-tos and make everyone get their bike on fire. That's not the point. So I'll need to do some research and then try some newer how-tos. That's also pretty cool to do. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's hope for a good 2019, powerful 2019, a focused and quality 2019. And so with this sunset on the year 2018, I bid you farewell. For me, and hi, this is 2019.